Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change name on Pinterest. Maybe you have recently gotten married, started a new business, or you just want to switch up your name. So today I am going to show you how to change name on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located on the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, and here you should select this option, Edit Public Profile. Here, you will see your name displayed on the top part of the screen. Simply tap on this first and last name fields to edit your name. For example, I want to edit my first name. Simply tap on this first name field, then delete your current first name. After that, you can now type in your new first name. Once you have made the necessary changes, make sure to tap on this done button located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you now have successfully changed your name on Pinterest and it is now reflected on your profile page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change name on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change name on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.